All right, here's a quick example case study of a welcome message. So, welcome aboard, first name, hey, thank you, welcome almost aboard. Hey, before I can give you any information, I just need to confirm that you choose to be here. Staying or leaving. That's it, just let's do this. And it automatically subscribes people to the bot. That's it, subscribes to bot. Now, as soon as they subscribe to the bot, the next thing they go over, for this client, for example, is first name. Now that you're a part of us, let's give you a couple more tools. Hit reply, tell us your greatest health challenge, because we always want people to engage, right? We're never fooling anybody that this is automated, but we want people to engage with us. So hit reply, we want to get people's feedback. So to take your health to the next level, trust me in the grocery store knowledge series, 70%. So what happens is this link right here goes to 7 nutritional videos. They're just free videos, no opt-in. Typically it would require an opt-in, but they're already in ManyChat. That's why they're in here. Or client results. This goes over to a YouTube testimonial reel, for example. So see, YouTube testimonial reel basically means that they have 12 videos of client testimonials that they've all put together in a favorites list or a playlist on YouTube. And a playlist is just one link. So this way you can send someone directly over to 12 different videos. Now, one of the things that they're promoting right now is a limited free trial. So what they did is for their welcome message, as I've mentioned before in some other later videos, is a little bit kind of expert mode is whatever you're promoting, and these links right here, here's the quick reply for promoting. Okay, so limited free trial sends people over this next step. Okay. Hey, it looks like we're looking for more information. Free trial, click-through rate, doesn't look like anybody clicked through there. This is actually a video. It's a 4-minute video explaining what the free trial is. And as you can see, we have the image here, and as I've always mentioned before, the free trial right here, more people are clicking on this link, even though this link's the exact same thing. Much more people are clicking here. And you may wonder why the numbers are just a little off. It's because when you change the links in here, it resets the number, and unfortunately for ManyChat, like there's some things they just really kind of need to update, like what's the date range of these numbers and some others, but that's why sometimes you see the numbers off just a little bit. But that's a great example of a welcome message. Again, did you confirm? Yep, I confirmed. Great, here's some information about us. Free 7 videos. That does take them outside of Facebook. We'll change that over the next couple of weeks. Clients results. This takes them right over to YouTube, where they can just watch a lot of videos there. Eventually, we'll move those exact same videos over to Facebook just to give it a cleaner experience. Limited time trial, because that's what they're really talking about right now. So, hope you enjoyed the case study example of the welcome message.